Hello guys, Mehul here back in with another new video. Now my voice may sound a little bit different because I'm having high fever. Still I'm making this video because I promised you guys to make a video every day, and this is something challenge to myself. So that's why I'm making this video. Though I have missed yesterday's one, so make it up. I may can post two videos today. Let's see how much my body can support. Whatever. So today I have a website just like Pika, but a little bit different. Okay, and this is basically for like making your screenshot look good, look great. Okay, though one thing we have seen that Pika have grown a lot, and if you go to Pika now, you will see a lot of differences out there. But this one is still relevant, so let's just see it what we have today. Okay, so let's just get started. So today we have Tweet.pics from Typefully. Now Typefully have been in the industry for a long time now. I don't say for a long time or what, but I don't know for a long time or what. But what I think is long time because as long as I know, like I have been using Typefully, but not regularly. Obviously, not regularly because I don't post in Tweet that much. But Typefully is there for a long time, and everyone likes to use it. It helps you to create tweets in an organized manner. So more about Typefully later. Maybe I should promote Typefully once as well. Whatever. Let's just talk about Tweetpics. Though I think the name is not appropriate at all because Tweetpic means something related to it. Like you are making your tweet into a photo, but it doesn't do that. What it does, it let me take a screenshot and let me paste it here. Wait, I don't know why it is not pasting over here and whatever. Yes, it have pasted. So here is the screenshot that I have just pasted. Okay, and it basically what it does, it creates a good looking screenshot. Obviously, just like Pika. Okay, here you have different type of parameters. You can choose color. So let's choose a different shade so I can show you some interesting things. You can choose the frame size. Okay, basically the padding. I think they should have named it padding. I don't know why they have named it like this, but for general people that is right name, I think. Whatever, though frame means a framing over it, so I really don't know. You can change the radius. I think this much is fine. I can add pad. Oh, this is why they don't have, they didn't named it padding. Okay, this is a different kind of padding over here. I don't know what it is. Okay, you can play with the shadow and you can play with the gradient as well. Like I want more gradient, it will become more lighter, it will become more darker. Let me decrease the shadow totally. So you can see this is not shadow, this is actually the gradient, and you can rotate the gradient as well. So I like this one, though I am not understanding the purpose of this thing. I'm seriously not understanding the purpose of this thing. But one thing for sure, they don't have aspect ratio that is much needed over here. And what you can do from here now on, you can generate the picture, download it, and you can click on restart to restart the whole process. So that's basically it about this site. Now it is more comparable to uh, poet.so, I would say, because those have same tools. But for the reason that we are using it, Pika does a better job, to be honest. If you visit Pika now, it has changed a lot, and it now like gives you a lot more customization into it. They have launched a pro plan also, so that is a quite great thing, I would say. Okay, but it is what it is. I think they will grow, they will make it better at one point of time, no problem. And let's click on generate, let's see how it's going to generate. Okay, so I can copy the image, open in Typefully, and can share it as well. Okay, I'm liking this process. This is much more like understandable. So yeah, I don't know it is being recorded or not. So I just stopped the video and saw it again. It's actually not recording the sharing option, because obviously the share option is device specific. In Windows it is giving me Windows specific sharing option. In Android it will give Android specific sharing option. But that's about it. That's about the video. Let me know if, like, obviously you're gonna use it, because anyway it's a good tool. But how much do you like it? Please let me know about that in the comments below. If you know about some of the great tools like this, please let me know about them as well, because I would like to use them first of all, and share it with you as well. And rather than that, if you like my channel in general, like my videos in general, please do subscribe to this channel, give this video a thumbs up, comment down below which portions do you like the most, and specifically share with your friends. Like, help me to grow in the YouTube community. That's basically it. Bye.